Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a nourishing and shine-enhancing beard balm created for men. But here is a bonus, it also works beautifully as a nourishing oil-based serum for dry hair ends. This balm is packed with rich, regenerating ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, soy wax, beeswax, argan oil, castor oil, glycerin oleate, and vitamin E. Those ingredients deeply nourish, soften, add shine, and help repair damage to the hair. It also contains moisturizing glycerin and a powerful blend of 6 essential oils that not only support hair growth and prevent hair loss, but also offers antibacterial and antifungal benefits. To make the balm, measure out 10 grams of soy wax, 10 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of cocoa butter, 20 grams of shea butter, 10 grams of glycerin oleate, 10 grams of argan oil, and 23 grams of castor oil. Place all the fatty ingredients in a water bath and gently heat them until they are fully melted. You can substitute some of the ingredients if needed, but try to keep the overall proportion the same: 20% waxes, 40% solid butters, and 40% liquid oils. I also include glycerin, vitamin E, and essential oils as part of that liquid oil group. Once everything has melted, take the mixture off the heat and let it cool slightly. It's important that it doesn't cool too much, as if it starts to solidify, it will be hard to combine with the remaining ingredients. Add 5 grams of glycerin and stir it in. Then add 1 gram of vitamin E, which is about 20 drops, and mix again. Now it's time for the essential oils. 5 drops of rosemary oil, 4 drops of cedarwood, 3 drops of sandalwood, 3 drops of pine, 3 drops of black pepper, and 2 drops of tea tree oil. I choose this combination not only for their excellent effects in hair care, but also to give the balm a warm masculine scent. Mix everything and pour the warm, still liquid mixture into a clean, dry, and disinfected container. It's important to pour it quickly before it starts to thicken. You will see how fast the balm begins to set as it cools. Then close the container and leave it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes until it fully solidifies. Store the finished balm at room temperature away from heat sources. You can store it for several months. To use the balm, gently rub the surface with your fingertips. The warmth of your skin will melt it just enough to scoop a small amount. Apply a tiny bit to your beard and massage it. You can also comb through the hair for an even finish. A small amount won't leave your beard greasy. It will soften the hair, add shine, and improve the overall look and feel. With regular use, your beard's condition will noticeably improve. Let me know if you will use this recipe to make it for yourself or maybe your loved one as a gift. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!